Hello, Adrian, Elma, and Sophia. You are asking me about the concept completing the square. So first of all, I need to build the sense of the concept. Otherwise, it doesn't make any sense what you're doing. So we're gonna investigate the three problems that you're seeing right now, A, B, and C, so that the concept makes sense to you. Okay. So first, x plus 3 square mean that x plus 3 times x plus 3. Right? So since we have two binomials multiply each other, we can use the FOIL concept or the distributing. You're going to distribute x to the second parenthesis. X times x is x squared. X times 3 is 3x. And then you distribute 3 into the parenthesis. That will give you 3x plus 9. Okay. Then we do combining like term. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, that will be it for the first problem. You just distribute or FOIL the binomial square, the square binomial. Okay, so far we realized the following things. We have 3 square is 9. Okay, we have x square is x square. Okay, and the middle term is something that we try to figure out next. Okay, so right now just keep in mind that when you expand your binomial square, the square binomial, you have the first term square and the last term square. Okay, now we're going to look at the next one, x minus 7 square. Same concept, x minus 7 times x minus 7. We're going to distribute those. X times x is x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times negative 7 is positive 49. Okay, then we combining like term. You have x squared minus 14x plus 49. Okay, do we experience the same thing? Then 7 square will give you 49. The x square give you x squared. Now the middle term 14 has a connection to 7. The 14 come from 2 times 7. Okay, the 6 that we're looking at earlier, the first problem 6, basically 2 times 3. So we experience the middle term is twice of your number. Twice of number 3, twice of number 7. I wonder, is that always true? And it's always like that. So we're going to generalize the concept by using x and y only. Okay, so same concept that we did earlier, x plus y squared, which means that x plus y times x plus y. So we do FOIL. X times x is x squared. X times y is xy. Y times x. For the convenience, I will put it xy instead of yx. Y times y is y squared. So we end up with, hello, there was a crash on the last video, so I don't know where did I stop at. So just a quick repeat. X squared, we experience that x plus y squared. You see that the end products is x squared. We see in here. And then the y squared, we already know that. And we also recognize the pattern. In the middle term, you have the 2 that have been appear in the last 2 problem and also in general equation. The middle term is the products of 2 times the first term and times the last term. I want to make sure it's clear to you. It's mean 2 times first term in this case is x and last term in this case is y. Okay. So this is my third time to do this video. Let's get it done. Okay, so we're going to apply the concept. F of x equal to x squared minus 8 plus 5. So what we realized that earlier you have x squared, okay, minus is the middle term is the factor of first term last term, and 2. So we're going to break down 8 at 2 times 4, which gives you 8 times x, plus some number to make complete in the square, and then subtract some number to balance this out, and then plus 5 at the end. Okay, so let's look back here. So we have x squared as x squared. We have the number in the blank will be your constant square, and we have 2 is 2. Okay, guys, welcome back. This is my 5th time doing this. I don't know where I'm at on this one, because every time that is paused, I have to reset the whole thing. Okay, so last time we said that x squared minus 2 times 4 times x plus 4 squared, which can be x minus 4 times x minus 4, right? We can check our answer over here. If you want to check your answer, x minus 4 times x minus 4. X times x is x squared, x times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 4 will give you 16. So that will be x squared minus ax plus 16. That's what we have here. X squared minus ax. The 16 is come from 4 squared. So we're on the right track. Okay. So continue to this one. You have minus 4 squared, which is 16 plus 5. Okay, so join this together. You have x minus 4 square. Negative 16 plus 5 is negative 11. And that's it. Okay. All right, let's repeat the process here. Okay, so problem B, g of x is x squared plus 12x plus 10. So that will be x squared plus 12 will be break down as 2 times 6 times x. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, plus some number to make it complete in the square. Subtract that number, and then plus 10 because of this 10 will go to the back. Okay. So we have x squared, x here. We have some number here. We don't know what is that number. We know that the middle term is 2 times first number, last number. So the last number will be 6 squared. The square of 6. Okay. So that will give us x plus 6 times x plus 6 twice. Okay. And minus 6 squared is 36 plus 10. That will be x plus 6 squared because 2 of them. Okay, minus 36 plus 10, so minus 26. That will be it. Okay, one last practice, then we will call it a day, because I don't know when my computer gonna stop again. So x squared minus 10 is 2 times 5. X plus some number, subtract that number, plus 5 because of this 5. Okay, we have x squared here, we have x here, we have some number need to be added, that is a 5. And 2, middle term is always has 2 is the part of the formula. So that will be 5 squared, 5 squared. This will be x minus 5 because it's negative this time, times x minus 5. Minus 5 squared is 25 plus 5 from this. Okay, so that will be x minus 5 squared minus 25 plus 5 is 20. Okay. So with that idea in mind, well, I guess I have to go through one more problem. X squared plus 3 is not the factor of 2. So question is 2 times what number? That give you 3. 2 times 3 half. X plus a number square minus that number square plus 1. You're going to ask me, where's the 3/2 coming from? The number times 2 times 3/2, that's cross that out, will give you 3. So basically half of the middle term. So that will be 3/2 square over here and 3/2 square over here. I know this problem is weird because it's not a good number like last 2 problems or last 3 problems. Okay, so we have x plus 3/2 times x plus 3/2. Okay, that's come from this group right here. Minus 3/2 squared, that will give you 9/4 plus 1. Okay, this will give you x plus 3/2 square minus, this is 1/1 times 4 and 4. So negative 9/4 plus 4/4, which is negative 5/4. Alright guys, that's it for that lesson. It took me forever to get it done. So now I'm going to pause the video and join them together, and I will upload it on YouTube for you. Alright, see you on the next video.